Camp Nou is entering a completely different phase. The final details are finally starting to appear. But while some areas are looking absolutely spectacular, others are already raising serious questions. From the first completed aluminum panels and new decorative lamellas, to major progress on the compression ring and the final preparations for the Joan Gamper Trophy, there are some very important developments to see today. One of the most important developments is the completion of the first mobility core with its decorative ceramic lamellas and final aluminum finishing panels. The aluminum panels are now giving this section its final architectural appearance, creating a much more refined and premium look. However, some visible defects can still be seen, including damaged corner pieces and impact marks on several aluminum panels. These elements will likely need to be replaced before the final handover. Since this is one of the first completed examples of this finishing system, it will be important to see whether these issues are corrected before the same details are replicated across the remaining cores. The installation of decorative lighting is also progressing across the exterior. After several spotlights were installed along the lateral sector, crews have now started adding the same lighting elements around the south goal lateral corner. As more lights are installed, this entire section will gradually be prepared for its final nighttime appearance. Once the lighting becomes continuous alongside the ceramic lamellas, we will get a much better idea of how this part of the stadium will look after dark. Another mobility core in the lateral sector, close to the corner, has now started receiving its decorative ceramic lamellas. One side of the core is already almost completely covered, and the installation is progressively extending toward the existing lamellas across the lateral sector. Once these sections connect, we will begin to see a much stronger visual continuity stretching from the south goal through the corner and toward the north goal. Work continues across the upper-tier access areas and around the mobility cores. Additional temporary stairways and access structures are now in place, providing workers with access to the higher levels of the stadium. Around the cores, crews are continuing with finishing, painting, and enclosure work, while some sections still require additional panels and structural finishing. The upper access routes are gradually becoming more defined as construction progresses toward the completed circulation system. The third tier is currently showing more limited visible activity compared with the facade and compression ring works, but important finishing and access work continues. The main structural elements are already substantially advanced, while remaining tasks are focused on internal access, finishing details, and the completion of areas around the mobility cores. At this stage, the third tier is moving more through finishing and integration works rather than major structural construction, with further visible progress expected as the remaining upper-level areas are completed. Another core has also revealed a finishing detail that still needs attention. There is a visible imperfection around the corner area, although it is not completely clear whether the final aluminum corner piece has already been installed. If the corner element is still pending, the defect should eventually be covered. However, if the final piece is already in place, it may need to be replaced. These details are small compared with the overall construction, but they are extremely important because the final appearance of the stadium depends on clean and precise finishing throughout every core. Progress is continuing between the first and second terraces, where the first and second VIP rings are being enclosed and finished. Sandwich panels are already installed around several mobility cores, while other areas are being closed from the upper sections of the VIP ring. Inside the VIP areas, new plasterboard partitions are also being constructed, while walls are being rendered to improve their final appearance. Additional ventilation grills and finishing elements are still pending, but the interior spaces are gradually moving toward their completed configuration. The compression ring continues to make strong progress and is now approaching the final stage of installation. New compression ring boxes and large radial beams are still being lifted into position, while crews continue tightening and checking the connecting bolts. Only around 5 pillars and 5 radial beams remain from the original 46, with roughly 10 Cimbra supports still to be installed or cleared. The ring is therefore very close to becoming a continuous structure, with the remaining work increasingly concentrated around the tribuna section. Work continues across several areas of the north goal. The access area used for visiting supporters is still undergoing construction, while the surrounding diamonds are progressively taking shape. At the north goal diamond known as the Titanic, workers are now raising the concrete block walls, giving the structure a much clearer architectural form. These works are part of the wider development of the buildings surrounding the stadium. The central north goal core has now entered another important finishing stage with painting works underway. The structural columns are beginning to receive their white finish, together with the perpendicular beams connecting them. Another section of the core is already largely enclosed, with only some final corner elements still to be installed. A major development is taking place at the north goal tribuna corner core, where sandwich panel installation has finally begun on the interior side. Around half of the required panels are already installed, while the remaining sections are still open. This marks the beginning of the enclosure process for this core. Once the remaining sandwich panels are installed, the lower finishing elements and eventually the final aluminum panels can follow, bringing this structure much closer to the appearance already achieved on the more advanced cores. The diamond plan for the future cafe is also becoming increasingly clear. A significant amount of construction material has been removed from the interior, leaving the floor area much more open. This could indicate that the next phase of interior work is approaching, potentially including the formation of the stepped seating structure already seen in the nearby diamond planned for the future Barca store. From the north goal observation point, the different stages of construction can now be seen clearly. The north goal core remains relatively unfinished, while the tribuna side core is considerably more advanced. Decorative ceramic lamellas are already visible around the central corner area, while other sections are progressing with sandwich panels, painting, and structural finishing. The contrast between these areas shows how the different mobility cores are gradually moving through their individual construction phases. The compression ring has now reached a major milestone, with only 5 pillars remaining before the pillar perimeter around the stadium is complete. The first pillar of the tribuna sector has already been installed together with its radial beam, marking the beginning of the final group of supports in this section. The latest views also show additional compression ring components already positioned around the stadium. With just 5 pillars still outstanding, the structure is now very close to completing this major phase. Although the remaining compression ring boxes and associated structural elements will still have to be installed afterward, the new first-team dressing rooms are now essentially complete. The locker room areas have reached their final interior appearance, with only minor finishing and preparation work remaining before they can be fully operational. The complex also includes a dedicated recovery and wellness area, with hot and cold water pools, hydrotherapy features, finished shower facilities, and a high-end dry sauna. These spaces are now at a level where the main focus is no longer construction, but final preparation for player use. The pitch has now entered the final preparation stage for the upcoming Joan Gamper Trophy. Line marking has already begun, with the perimeter line now visible on the playing surface. Additional pitch markings will be added progressively as the field is prepared for the match. This is an important operational milestone because it shows the stadium moving beyond construction and finishing work and increasingly toward its return to regular football activity.